Some trending stocks as of yesterday, the 14th of November 2025. We have BABA and JD. So BABA lost 3.78%. So the stock has been showing some weakness within a longer term bullish trend. It's lost 15% since the 29th of October 2025, and that weakness is expected to remain in place at least up till the 25th of November, when a bounce is expected to maybe play out the next day, but may be rejected. Given that the 40-day moving average is expected to serve as a resistance from now on up till then, from now up till at least the 26th of December, and it's expected to serve as a primary supply line by the 10th of December. So ultimately, the extrapolation is saying that the stock is just going to go into a distributive contraction up till the 26th of December. Projections are currently saying nothing to the upside. We have 147.08, 133.55, 125.19. Positions opened all the way back to at least 21 days ago, surely are out of profit. Okay, so the odds of it retesting 160.05 is very high, but it doesn't mean that it's going to do that. The odds of it printing 166.16 is also very high, higher than 50%. That's also the case with 160.05 is also higher than 50%. Yeah, very high. I would say probably getting to 90%. In the case of 167.83 as well, higher than 50%. Yeah, close to 90%. But given the broader geopolitics going on, the odds of them retesting these highs are really not there. We'll hear more about what's going on as it concerns the geopolitics. Let's see what we have on its 4-hour chart. Yeah, a bounce is expected to play out from Monday the 17th, and it's expected to remain strong up till the pre-market session of Wednesday the 19th, or rather the midday of Wednesday the 19th, and then after that, the contraction of that expansion may play out going all the way down to the 26th of November. So the 40 period moving average in this case will serve, okay, is a resistance, but it might be breached. It might be breached based on what we have here. But ultimately, I can if it breaches it and returns, then it still serves as a resistance, even though it may based on this extrapolation, it's going to breach it. But if it doesn't sustain it, then it still serves as a resistance. At some point a primary supply line, and at some point a primary demand line. Projections here as of now are not saying anything to the upside. 152.52, 147.04, 143.66. Probability of it retesting. Yeah, okay. Yeah, here on this 4-hour chart, the probability of it retesting 166, 162.17 is less than 50%. Okay, so we have a mix of probabilities. Divergent probabilities here, 164.79 is also less than 50%. Less than 50%. So let's hear more about, or rather, let's hear about the geopolitics that can affect some of these. Can affect the price of the stock.
Alibaba. Alibaba was trending as of November 14th after reports circulated about a White House memo allegedly suggesting that the company provides support to the Chinese military. The rumor triggered intense discussions across trading communities, fueling fears of renewed geopolitical risk, potential sanctions, or even delisting from U.S. exchanges. The news split investors into two clear camps: the skeptics, who believe the memo could be legitimate and may signal worsening US China relations. These traders view the development as a red flag and are reducing exposure. The opportunists, who argue the memo is unverified, overblown, or misinterpreted, calling the selloff a potential buying opportunity for a historically undervalued tech giant. Despite the panic, some investors point to Alibaba's ongoing AI progress, cloud expansion, and operational improvements as reasons to stay bullish long term. But overall, sentiment is fragile as traders await clarity on whether the memo represents a genuine threat or simply market noise.
Okay, JD is showing a lot of weakness within a longer term bearish trend. You can see that the 200-day moving average sloping bearishly lower. Yeah, so just like Alibaba, its own contraction began on the 28th as well. Yeah, pretty much the same day. Pretty much the same day. Okay, positions opened all the way back to 200 days ago. Not in profit right now. So lower prices are expected to keep printing up to the 18th of November. Then after that, a consolidation is expected to play out, going all the way to towards the 26th of December. It's not expected to go beyond or trade beyond its 40-day moving average. So if anything, this is the limit that is being extrapolated within this area. Just the area above it's this moving average, this extrapolation. That's the area it's expected to trade within, not anything beyond that. And given all the geopolitics and the economic issues that are going ongoing in China, the odds of it, yeah, blowing. I mean, trading beyond this 40-day moving average, I think is quite limited. But never say never. Projections are saying 29.55, 27.44, 26.14, nothing to the upside. Previous projections, yes, some ambitious projections: 35.29, 36.80, 37.72. Let's see what we have on its 4-hour chart. The 4-hour chart, just like Alibaba stock, is a lot more ambitious. Yeah, I'm expected to blow through its 40 period moving average from Monday. Yeah, Monday it's expected to hold it and remain strong up till the 25th of November. So maybe we spoke too soon. Um, 30 point, 30.1 is an upper projection. The odds of it retesting $30 is, yeah, higher than 50%. The odds of it retesting 30.7 is also higher than 50%. The odds of it printing 31.83 is less than 50%. But all of these are just statistical. It doesn't mean that they are going to they are going to happen. Those projections, or yeah, will happen. What? But if this is anything to go by, if this will turn out to be the case, then this will make sense. Yeah, this probability of I would say had this probability of it retesting $30, that is more than 50%, then would make sense. So let's find out more about what's going on with JD.
JD.com. JD.com was also trending on November 14th, driven by increasing concerns about the stock's struggle to maintain upward momentum. Traders noted a recurring pattern. Whenever JD spikes, it quickly faces heavy sell offs, erasing gains by the end of the trading session. This has led to a perception that the stock is weak, lacking sustained buying support. Adding pressure, JD's Q3 earnings came in mixed, with particular worry around declining net income, slashed price targets from major brokers, and broader weakness in Chinese consumer spending, and heightened geopolitical tensions and renewed chatter about potential US delisting risks. These factors have pushed sentiment bearish, but not uniformly so. Some traders are watching for a potential dead cat bounce, pointing to unusual call sweeps, short term oversold conditions, and visible dip buying from speculative players. While long term confidence remains shaky, short term traders see the possibility of a sharp rebound if momentum shifts even briefly.